Osachiguru has about 1,000 acres of farmland spread across 20 different farms located in different climatic conditions, different soil types, growing different crops of different ages, all in harmony. And each plant needs different amount of water, different amount of fertilizer, and it needs to be watered or irrigated at a different time of the day. You can imagine the complexity that we have to manage. In order to manage this super complex irrigation needs, fertilization needs of all the plants of different soil types, we have embarked on a IoT bot tech journey about a year back, and we have built data samples to make sure that our ability to irrigate the needs are better. In order to build this IoT tech platform, it has taken a lot of time, resources and energy, and the journey has been very interesting. It requires 3 different layers. The first layer is the perception layer, the second layer is the network layer, the third layer is the intelligence and the data layer. The first layer, the perception layer, has a lot of sensors which has been deployed in various parts of the farm. One is at the surface of the surface level, one is 30 centimeters below the soil, one is 60 centimeters below the soil, which actually measures the soil temperature and moisture. We also have another sensor which measures the wind speed and direction. We have other sensors which measures the evapotranspiration losses, the humidity available. The second layer is the network layer, where we have deployed computers and tabs at the farm level, which uses very low bandwidth to capture the information coming from the sensors, and we push it to the cloud. And the third layer is the data and the artificial intelligence layer that we have built over a period of time based on the data that we have collected in the last 10 years of our experience. It's not just the data that comes from the farm that matters to make a decision, but this data applied with the soil type, with the age of the plant, with the type of the plant, and at what stage the plant is there of the season. When it's clubbed together, we'll be able to make a decision of how much to irrigate and how much to fertigate. And this is a fairly complex process. It is evolved quite a bit, and there is still an evolution that's required based on all the networks that we have built and the data that we have built over the last few years. It is making us to an autonomous stage where we can take decisions of these parameters sitting in the head office. We also have deployed sensors in our tractors. Our tractors are working simultaneously in different farms. We can do the route planning of how the tractor has to move within the farm and what activity that has to happen. And all this can be delivered through an app, which I'll be talking about in a little bit. And all this data is actually fed into our command center, which is in the making, that will help our agronomy team, it will help our operations team to take the right decision for managing the farm very effectively.